Hello, this is Assil. I just wanted to update the introduction video thing because I felt the old one was, kind of formal. I submitted it to some application for an internship. So yeah, I'd like to give you a brief idea of how everything works if you don't understand from the instructions. Okay, so first thing you see on this page, you have a bunch of input areas that you have to fill in. So the first two should be clear. That's the term that you want to find schedules for. In this case, fall 2015 is the next term. And then your gender. I hope you're not too confused about that. That should be clear. Okay, so then we get to the important stuff. Courses and constant CRNs. So let's leave constant CRNs aside for a moment. And let's have a look at the courses. So in this case here, I've already filled it up. So what you enter basically in these boxes is the codes for the courses you're going to take. So in my case, I've entered the code for Calculus 1, the code for Physics 1, and the code for Physics 2. Okay, let's remove that for now. And now I will hit the Submit button. So what should happen? It should give me a list of possible schedules. So what the scheduler will do, it will take these courses, and then it'll get all the sections available for these courses, and then it'll combine them randomly in different combinations. And finally, check and make sure that the combination or the combinations do not have time conflicts. So here you have 50 schedules with no time conflicts. Okay, and it says total credit hours 11. And then at the top of each schedule, to make registering for the sections or the courses easier, you have a list of CRNs. So you can just copy paste that and enter it in e-services. Okay, so what are constant CRNs? Suppose I'd like to take Physics 1 here with Dr. Salah. Okay, I want to take it from 4 to 5:15 p.m. And so what I do is all I have to do is just copy the CRN. I can go back, I'll enter the CRN for that, and what that will do is it will fix that section. So Physics 1 will always only be that section. Physics 2 and Calculus 1 will be varied. Okay, I can submit again, and here, see, the number of schedules decreased because I've decreased the number of possible combinations. And there you go. So if you notice here, Physics 1 is always Physics 1, sorry, is always 4 to 5:15 p.m. Okay. Suppose I'd like to take Calculus 1 with Dr. Abdul Samad. So also I'll copy that CRN, copy, go back, and I enter that in another box, and I hit submit. And now Calculus 1 will also be fixed. So then you only have Physics 2 and its lab being varied. I think you get the idea here. So it's quite clear. Okay, and that's that. So it should be clear how that works. Of course, if you find any problems with it or if any errors come up, please don't hesitate to report that to me on the Facebook group. There's a big link here and a link at the top. Or you could just directly tweet at me on Twitter. My Twitter handle is at the bottom of the page. And that's it. That should be clear, I think. So yeah, thank you for listening and enjoy.